Hey, so this is how to play motion and speed bingo. This is a review game. You're going to play this in small groups or individually. Um, because we have a sub today, it's going to be hard for the sub to lead this, but you guys can do this on your own or with the people that you like. So here's how you're going to do this. You are going to create your own bingo board first of all by copying and pasting the answers that are in here. These are all the answers to all the questions. You're going to copy and paste these onto here, which is your own bingo board. You're going to have to make a copy of this. You're going to click into this, and then in order to edit it, you're going to have to make a copy. And you're not turning this in. This is just a review game, but this will help you to make sure you're up to speed and ready to go for the final on this stuff, okay? We only have one review day for each one of these units. So this is your review day for this whole unit, okay? So yeah, these are the answers. So you're going to copy and paste these answers onto this blank one in any order you want to. That's what makes it fun. And then these are going to be your chips. So copy and paste these on top of the answers when you get them, okay? So then you're going to go through and do each one of these problems. And when you have found the answer and found it in the answer key here, or found it on your bingo board actually, then you can put a chip on that answer. There are more answers here than there are spaces on here, so you may not get every answer. And of course, since you're going to put the answers on your board in any old which way that you figure out, that you decide to do. That's how it's going to be determined whether you get a bingo or not, okay? So, yeah, so just go through these, find the answers, and that's how you're going to play motion and speed bingo. There you go.